Shire horses are a British breed of draft horse, known for their impressive size, strength, and gentle temperament. Originally bred for heavy farm and industrial work, such as pulling carts, plows, and brewery wagons, Shires are among the largest horse breeds in the world, with some individuals standing over 17 hands tall and weighing more than a ton. They are easily recognized by their broad bodies, feathered legs, and typically black, bay, or gray coats. Despite their power, Shire horses are calm and easygoing, making them popular in parades, heritage events, and even therapeutic riding programs today. Their historical role in agriculture and transportation has made them an iconic symbol of rural England.